Hi guys! For today's video, mag-apply tayo ng bestseller namin na charcoal mask. So, after cleansing your face, you're gonna apply this one. This is actually a best-selling product kasi naman instantly natatanggal ang ating mga dirt sa face and talagang ang refreshing ng feeling. So, this one, ginto siya. And then, put here. And gonna use the beauty finger, ring in middle. Ayan. Bango niya. Parang may mental feeling. Alam niyo yung mga areas na madalas tayo nagkakaroon mga clogged pores, like sa nose, ayan. Saan pa? Sa other areas din. Actually, the good thing about this product, very gentle siya. It's actually safe for all skin types. Tapos, ipag in-apply mo, ang lamig. Ayan o, look at that. Yan, apply pa tayo. Okay, dagdag pa tayo. So, ayan nga, dagdag lang tayo. Nilagyan natin kanina sa forehead natin. Again, this is the Mary Kay Charcoal Mask, guys. You can apply this 2 to 3 times a week and then right after cleanser po siya. So, dapat nakapaghilamos na kayo bago kayo maglagay nito. Ayan. Avoid your eye area lang. Syempre, hindi mo na yan lalagyan ng charcoal mask. Okay? Kasi our eyes are very, very sensitive. Yung area na yan. Tadan! Tayo sa nose. Okay. I'm gonna leave this for pwedeng 10 to 20 minutes. Isang natin. Tudun, tudun, tudun. Bilis na natuyo siya agad din. Ayan. Okay. So, after 10 to 20 minutes, I'll be back. Look at that. After natin banlawan, grabe. Sobrang smooth talaga. The way you touch your face, ganito daw. Yan. Para mas feel nyo talaga. Ayan. Grabe. Instant overall clarity talaga sa skin. Tapos hindi siya mahapde, guys. Hindi talaga. Tapos ito, naramdaman ko lalo na yung ilong kasi nga talagang open pores din tayo dyan. Ang smooth! Iba talaga yung lambot at saka yung softness and smoothness talaga. So, if you want to try this product, you can try this for free. You may ask me or your beauty consultant to give free skincare classes, then free samples. And if you're interested about this product, you may message me or your beauty consultant. Guys, sobrang recommended talaga. This is really a must-have in your skincare list. So, salamat for watching. Bye!